How should the appearance of a business letter be? Because it makes a difference. It is going to convey a lot about the company which is sending it. Stationery should be of good quality. An A4 size bond paper should be used in case you are sending proposals or letters. The printers and typewriters must be maintained well so that there is no dirt or dust. Now these have become irrelevant now. Printers of course are still relevant, but typewriters no longer. But computers, when we use, and we will be using the printer ink must be, there for it to print well. Good quality carbon paper, I would say good quality ink must be used to make the copies. Typing must be neat with equal spacing between words and lines. The letter should be placed carefully on the page, leaving proper margins on both sides. Basically alignment so that it looks neat. Paragraphing should be done to convey different ideas in the letter. Folding of the letter must be neat. It shouldn't happen that the letter is such that when we open the letter, when we open the cover, the letter is torn. Address on the envelope should be typed clearly so that the postman has no problem in delivering that letter. Of course, these problems to a large extent have been resolved today with emails. Parts of a letter. How is the letter written? The letter will have a heading. It will be the letterhead of the company, which is normally the heading. Reference number. Since if any acknowledgement or any other communication needs to be done with the previous letter, the reference number will be very useful. Date, when, very important. Inside address, the address of the company is printed inside the company to where the address is going to be or the letter is being addressed to. Attention line, whom is the letter meant for? Subject line, what is the essence of the letter? Salutation, dear sir, dear ma'am. Complimentary close, once the body of the letter is done, okay, you have the yours truly, yours sincerely signature. Then there is a reference section if you are enclosing something more with the letter. What are the enclosures? Are you sending a copy to anybody? In that case, where are the courtesy copies going? Delivery service, how are you sending? And the initials of the person who typed the letter. Postscript, if any liner needs to be added, which has no relevance to the letter but a message which we would like to pass to somebody whom we know through that letter. The various style as far as the layout of a letter is concerned. The most oldest form is the indented form, and it's almost outdated now, where the paragraphs are indented. Full block form. This is the most modern form of writing letters, but is heavy on the right hand side. If this is the page, this is the right hand side that I am talking about, where you have the address, you have the salutation, you have the paragraphs, and they don't have an indent, and then we have the conclusion and so on. Modified block form. Here the date, the address and the signature part comes on the right side. The semi-indented form, where the paragraphs have indent, and the NOMA form. The NOMA form is the National Office Management Association of America. This style is well accepted both in America and UK for all official letters, and this is a modification of the full block form.